The two rubber mounts are the same part number and located between the transmission, red arrow, and the aluminum support bracket. Place a screw jack or hydraulic jack under the transmission with a wood block, red arrow. Working at the transmission mounting bracket, remove the 16mm fasteners, red arrow, then remove the two 16mm transmission mounts, green arrow. While supporting the mounting bracket from below, remove the 6 16mm bracket fasteners as indicated by the yellow arrows. Be sure to support the bracket or it will fall as the final fastener is removed. Remove the transmission mounting bracket from the vehicle. Working at the transmission mount, remove the 4 16mm fasteners, red arrows. Be sure to support the mount as you remove the final fastener as it will fall away from the transmission. Once the fasteners have been removed, remove the mount from the transmission. The mount is attached to a metal bracket. This bracket is supplied with the new mount, no need to separate the two. In the future, a mount may become available without the bracket. If so, you would have to cut the securing strap, red arrow. Then remove the 16mm nut, yellow arrow, and transfer the bracket to the new mount. When installing the new mount, be sure to install all the fasteners to the transmission evenly before the final tightening. Then install the support bracket and tighten all of the fasteners for the transmission support bracket. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.